You're worth more than birds. Don't fret, neither fear, despite what occurs. God will ever show favor towards you. He's the all-knowing, all-powerful one, a present help who is faithful and true. It is futile wishing for bygone days, or to let unseen ones cause you dismay. When you get flustered, just think of the birds, and that God values you much more than they. Don't be dogged by questions of daily life, like what to wear, what to eat, or to drink. Your Heavenly Father knows what you need and will bless you way beyond what you think. If He attends to the flocks of sparrows and faithfully ensures that they are fed, then take to heart that He patiently waits to exchange His perfect peace for your dread. If our God caringly looks after birds which do not cultivate, harvest, and store, He'll be abundantly gracious to you to meet every one of your needs and more. God sees the birds as they awake and sing, and He's acquainted with each one by name. Think how much more God is partial to you. Yesterday, today, tomorrow the same. Though not a bird, in childlike faith you'll fly, soaring high above clouds on eagle's wings. In full flight singing, you will reaffirm, with God's power you have strength for all things. So stop, take some time, and ponder a bit. Listen keenly to these sobering words. God truly loves you and wants you to know that you're always worth more than the birds.